Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix an Xbox One that doesn't turn on. As you can see here, the power supply is plugged in. It is on, and we have no signal. So I'll be showing you how to fix the issue of it not turning on. This is just one way to fix it. Okay, so first you want to actually disconnect the power cable from the back of the Xbox and set that aside because you won't be needing it. And for this, you'll actually just need to pop this top panel off. It's very easy, and I'll show you how. So this tab here, you just want to push it down. This cover's already popped off a bit, but you just need to pull it off like that. Won't break anything, it's all clipped in. If you hear snapping, it'll be just the clips coming out. Set that aside. Then what you want to do is work your way around the case and pull the case off. As you can see, it is joined all the way around, and you need to peel that sticker off there if it's there. Okay, so it'll be like this when you're taking it off. So it should come off, start coming off like that. That is the cover of the Xbox off. So as you can see, we are actually, the power button is actually not connected to this front motherboard here, which is actually the main cause the majority of the time. After doing a bit of research, found that out. So to fix this, what you're going to do, it's very fiddly to keep this back part of the cover on. So what you're going to want to do is lift all of these clips up here. So actually like slide this part of the cover off. The front part, look, as you can see, it starts to separate. So if you pop all of these off, yeah, actually just be careful with these clips because they are very fragile. Just wiggle it a bit, it should come off. Okay, I had to do that off camera because it's not very easy filming with one hand, doing it with one hand. So once this cover's off, what you want to do is actually put it on, get it about here. Then this cable, I will show you how it goes in a sec. Okay, so to actually plug in this cable here, what you want to do, get it lined up like this. Pull the cable round from the back so it's twisted. Push this tab out here from the top and then the bottom, so it's sticking out like this. Then slide that part of the cable in, then slide the back over it, so it should look like that. Then push it in so it locks in. Now, if you just put that front bit on, like that, and then we plug it in, it should turn on. Okay. It should. Is it connected? No, the power supply is disconnected. Give me a sec. Okay, and we see the fan spinning. And that's the Xbox turned on. So all you're going to do is pop this front panel back on. So yeah, and just unplug it while you're doing it, otherwise it will keep turning on and off, because this plug-in here is quite sensitive. Okay, so the way I put it back on is put the top on first, like this. Put the top on first, and then you can just clip the front panel in. Just turn the camera off because it's quite difficult doing it one-handed. Okay, that's all that back on. Now just get your side panel, get it lined up, and push it in. There we go. Some of the clips are actually broken, but it's working. As you can see, it turns on, and that is how to kind of fix your Xbox if it won't turn on. Just one issue. Alright, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, thank you.